final takeaway that I want to get you guys with this is a lot of us watch some pretty old videos, some videos from 10 plus years ago. Technology was a lot different 10 years ago. The real estate game was a lot different 10 years ago. During COVID was when the influx of real estate wholesalers and real estate assignments and lease options and subject tools and stuff like that, they've always been a thing, but it exploded during that because a lot of people were getting laid off and everything. And so a lot of people didn't have nothing to do but sit up and learn stuff. My point is you're going to see a lot of videos that are dated with some dated strategies that don't work anymore. Utilize technology to your benefits, right? Technology is made to make our life a little bit easier, to make our lives a little bit easier. So utilize softwares. There's a lot of them out there. There's no shortage of real estate CRMs or real estate marketing or lead generation CRMs or whatever. There's no shortage. If you want to check out the ones that I use, like I said, I use my GHL-based system, Cosmosis REI. Check out some videos. If it looks like something that you want to try out or something like that, just holler at me, let you get a free account, see if it's something that you actually like or whatever. And yeah, that's that. Make sure you utilize technology to your advantage, man, because there's people out here that are still doing deals the old ways and their businesses are dying.